Okay. Okay, this is not the way to open a barbed wire fence, okay? I think I bit the end of my tongue off. Please close gate. All right. Ah, gas. Okay. Damage assessment. I'm pretty damn good. My ankle hurts a little bit. The end of my tongue hurts a lot. But I think it's still there. And my wrist hurts. I think I've broken this helmet. Huh. Huh. Well, I think that fence is broken. I broke that in half. That's how you slide into home plate. Broke my own rules. Broke my own rules. Don't ride fast on roads you don't know. Huh. Yeah, head first. I think that's where my head hit. Neck's a little sore. Huh. Don't think I bent the handlebars too bad. Okay, bro. Wow. Riding a little bit sorer. Bike looks good.